Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So today we are going to make sloppy joes, homemade sloppy joes. So first we're going to get our ground meat and start that browning. You want to put your skillet on medium-high heat. You also want to add a tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon of olive oil. Put your ground meat in once everything heats up. Get it to cooking. This is frozen, so it's going to take a while. I'm going to go ahead and chop your bell pepper and your onion while the ground meat is browning. Once the ground meat is done, drain it and set it to the side. Then you want to put your veggies in. Your onion and bell pepper. Quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Quarter teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to do a teaspoon of Creole seasoning. I'm going to add my ground meat back. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Then you want to add a tablespoon of tomato paste. And mix it up really good. Add your water. 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And your dry ingredients. And then let that cook for a bit till the water cooks out, or until it's the consistency you like. So there we go. Alright, Joe's going to taste the homemade sloppy joes.
Yep, I made these the other day and they were good, or maybe a week ago. So. Yep.
Good?
They are really good. We need to make these even like every week.
I know. Really I would eat them once a week, definitely. Alright, there you have it. Homemade sloppy joes. Like, share, comment, and if you make them, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.